Hello Rustic Tech family, just putting out a quick announcement because I put out a message on Slack the other day about inviting people to come to the office which is here, and there was a few people who responded to that pretty positively and just wanted to share this short note and maybe show people around the office. So yeah, if you are interested in coming to the office, there's great Wi-Fi here. It's in Southbank in the city, just a freshwater place, so it's conveniently located. It'd be great to get some of the team together from time to time, or if you want to change of scenery, please come. So doing a bit of a quick walk around, this is actually the lunch area where you can have your lunch here if you want. Open desk area, or if you want to chill out on a couch, this space is available here. And if you turn around the other side, you can see our desks are all in the back. Most of this space is available for you to use. So anyway, that was a quick tour of the office. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you want to come to the office, just shout out and let me know.